If you haven't checked out the channel on YouTube, Mustang Mode, yet, I highly suggest you do. They were one of the first people who Ford actually gave this Mach-E all-wheel drive GT to actually take it to races and see what it can do and see what the other people in the Mustang community think about this thing, as a lot of people don't vision this as a real Mustang. If you know my channel, you know I'm a proponent of the EV movement. I've had a Chevy Spark EV that I've turned into a pretty freaking viable hot hatch. Now, some of the reason that I got the Spark in the first place was I wanted to put to rest some of this debate on whether or not you're going to have fun modifying your EV as much as you're modifying your ICE cars. There's still a lot you can do, and you can even get more technical with those things that you can do. A short list of what my EV has modification-wise is coilover suspension front and rear polyurethane suspension bushing kit, coupled with weight saving, a race seat, and a throttle controller for launches and for highway driving, makes this thing an absolute beast. It's my hope that in the future, Ford Performance can provide us, customers of the Mach-E's, with these performance parts from Ford that are made and tested, researched, and developed by them. You're going to get the best parts possible for these EV because they can be tricky. In the Mustang Mode video, he does suggest that the propulsion sound should really be pumped, and that's my suggestion to Ford, and maybe he can help out with that too, because he has some direct ties to them. The propulsion sound is decent enough when you're in the unbridled mode, but because you have a B&O sound system here, wouldn't it be nice to have that option to pump it through the sound system? Now, I want to be able to turn it up to 11. I want to be able to turn this thing up to obnoxious levels and roar by. Now, if people outside don't hear that, that's fine. But inside, I want to be able to really make this thing cook. I want it to sound like that Ford Performance 1400 that Von Gittin drives. Maybe not that crazy, but you know, just amplify the sound that's already coming from it, which the bass I heard on the Jay Leno show said that it was from the motors to begin with. So whatever they do, they take that and add their 11 herbs and spices to it, and then whatever comes out is wonderful. I actually love it, and I need a ton more of it. So let's make this happen, people. Let's get this propulsion sound really cooking.
Holy shit.
It's good, but it needs hashtag more roar or hashtag loud AF GT Mach-E. Which one do you like? Let's go with this. Alright, everyone, hit up that channel, Mustang Mode. It's absolutely amazing for your Mustang content. And check me out, too, while you're at it. If you're watching this video, I guess you are. We'll see everyone soon. Take care.